Here you can see that the 0.9 GHz frequency is for GSM 900. Now I am going to mark the first passband bandwidth. You can see that x-axis is gigahertz, frequency in gigahertz, and y-axis magnitude in dB. Here you can see that 0.9 GHz is a frequency for GSM 900, and it lies between these two ranges at 0.8 to 1.02. 0.9 lies in between this range, so it is useful. First passband is useful for GSM 900. Similarly, second passband frequency at 2.1 GHz. This is useful for 3G. Now I am going to mark the frequency of bandwidth of second passband. Here you can see that 2.1 GHz for 3G necessary. The range lower cutoff frequency at 2.07 and higher cutoff frequency at 2.29. 2.1 GHz lies between this range, so it is useful for 3G, this band, and this band range is 0.8 to 1.02, so 0.9 lies between it. This is useful. First passband is useful for GSM 900 and second is for 3G. And similarly, band 3.5 GHz is useful for WiMAX 3.5. Here you can see that the lower cutoff frequency is almost 3.5 and higher cutoff frequency at 3.8. There is a slight difference in this band. By changing the stub 3 length or little bit width, we can shift this passband on 3.5 exactly. We will do in next tutorial. I will do in next tutorial to shift little bit this 3/3 passband in this side. I will shift it on this way so that the 3.5 it must lies on, their peak must lies on at this point 3.5, so it become useful for WiMAX 3.5.